Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Daxton Salaga and we are building a gaming PC. And also shout out to Alex Among Us, which is from the Philippines and my dad's friend. So basically what we are doing right now is making a gaming PC for my gaming channel. And I would like to name all the pieces for the gaming PC. So this is a tough gaming motherboard right here.
It's made by Asus.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then this is like a DVD. This holds DVDs
Inside.
Your PC. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then this is the power supply right here. This thing.
Yeah.
Then this is the CPU.
What's CPU mean?
Central Processing Unit.
Perfect.
This is the dashboard. And this is
Yes.
the Microsoft Windows.
So the dashboard is the SD card.
Yeah, SD card.
SD card reader.
Yeah.
And then
Those are the Wi-Fi cards.
the
And that's the mountain bracket.
mounting bracket for the SSD.
Yeah, mountain brackets. This is the SSD.
Yes.
This is the memory. These are the lights
Yeah.
right here. And these are the graphics cards. And that is a huge case for everything.
Perfect.
And please subscribe to my channel and leave a like.
What is your
to
channel?
Daxton's Evolution, which is my channel. So, bye for now.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.